Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel order and refund on Kickwho. So let's get into the video. So open up Kickwho and log into your account. So once I've logged into your account, so simply click on your account option here. So click on your account in your top right, and then when you get to your account here, so what you're going to do, click on orders. So when you click on orders, it will show up all the orders that you have placed so far. Since I've not placed any orders, there's nothing here, but just open up the order that you wish to cancel. Simply click on it, and then you'll have the option to cancel it if that order is eligible for a cancellation. So you can just click on it and then initiate the cancellation process and then just complete it online, only if your order is eligible. So otherwise, you can also, what you can do, so reach out if you have issues with the cancellation. You can always reach out to Kickwho. So if you click on this chat option here, you'll get a WhatsApp number here. So what you can do is you can simply send a message to this WhatsApp number and then chat with them for the cancellation and get it sorted. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.